In this lesson, we'll work with a streaky sheet glass style called Petrified Wood and a solid colored opalescent to make this fused and slumped bowl. For this project, you'll need Petrified Wood sheet glass with clear areas, 3mm robin's egg blue opalescent sheet glass, and this mold. Petrified wood contains a combination of reactive glasses with colors that develop with heat work. Let's look at what to expect when firing it to a full fuse with a copper-bearing base sheet. The clear areas of petrified wood are made of a glass called Red Reactive Clear. In this layup, a red hue develops where the copper glass contacts the red reactive clear. The darker sepia-hued areas are relatively unaffected by the copper-bearing base sheet and develop characteristics that include streakiness, mottling, and opacity. For our project, we'll work with robin's egg blue, a copper-bearing opal. Most opalescent copper-bearing glasses create deep red color effects where they're in contact with red reactive clear. Red reactive clear is sensitive to heat work and can deepen in color with multiple firings, including slump firings. For this project, we've selected a mold that requires relatively low heat work. This will help maintain the color effects of the first firing. Because the slumping molds we use are handmade, they vary slightly in size. So before we cut any glass, we measure the outside diameter of the top rim of our mold. In this case, it's 41.5 centimeters. Next, we cut 41.5 centimeter circles of both robin's egg blue and petrified wood. Layer the sheets with the petrified wood on top and fire them to a full fuse using this schedule. After firing, the glasses changed noticeably. A rich, deep red has developed in the formerly clear area, and additional colors have developed ranging from earth to jewel tones in the sepia-hued area. This project can be completed without extensive cold working, but we do recommend that you address any needle points prior to slumping. Because we are using a steep bowl form, the bottom edge of the blank is prone to roll up in the slump firing, creating ripples in the rim. To minimize this effect, cold work the edge of the blank to smooth the perimeter and create a slight bevel on the top and bottom edges. This also contributes to a crisp finished look. We've used a wet belt sander to cold work from 120 through 400 grit. This finish will take on a semi-gloss fire polish in the slump firing. Slump the project in the mold using this firing schedule. Petrified wood with red reactions brings a unique organic palette to the form, a simple yet beautiful way to show off the material.